Hello, friends. My name is Gaurav Tekriwal, and I represent my organization, the Vedic Maths Forum India. Today, I'm going to talk to you about five mistakes which you must avoid in a maths examination. The first rule of cracking a maths paper into avoiding silly mistakes is to do not do rote learning. You cannot memorize questions, you cannot memorize concepts of mathematics. There is no point memorizing numbers and squares of numbers, memorizing multiplication tables. Please do not do that. It takes the fun away from maths, and rather you are relying on your memory rather than the concept and the logic which mathematics paper demands. So the first thing I'm going to tell you to avoid a mistake in your maths paper is please do not rote learn your mathematics. Okay, learn logic from Vedic mathematics, and I'm sure it's going to help you to crack that maths paper and get you a score of 100 uh, 90 to 100% in that paper. The second tip which I'm going to give you to avoid mistakes is to always check your answers. Okay, you must find ways by which you can avoid those silly mistakes. Check your answers, find out ways. I must tell you that there is a way in Vedic mathematics by which you can check your additions, subtractions, multiplication, or divisions. Right? You can check these concepts via Vedic mathematics. There's an inbuilt checking system, and you should avoid those, you know, silly mistakes by just rote learning. The third and a very important question and a tip which I want to give you is to please make sure that you have copied the question correctly in your paper. Okay, in that math paper, it's important to focus on the question, copying it down, and solving it using your the approach which you're best given at. Write the steps properly, double check your answer using Vedic maths, and that's my third tip for you to avoid mistakes. Okay, the next tip which I'm going to give you is avoid silly mistakes. Okay, you got to be good at addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. You have to be good at that, and you should be able to calculate these questions mentally. So silly errors are not silly. Okay, they are cause of lack of good foundation in mathematics. So you must not kind of do silly errors. The last point which I'm going to give you a tip for longevity is play chess. Okay, if you're going to play chess, is the most excellent game you can play to avoid careless mistakes in mathematics. So to avoid those careless mistakes, play chess because you get to choose your moves in advance. Okay, and when solving a math paper, you're solving equations, you will know the importance of calculating and planning in advance, right? So you need to, when you're solving equations, you need to know what the next steps are, and you need to know that in advance. So that is why a game like chess, which was also, I think, originated in India, will help you avoid those careless mistakes, right? So just follow these 5 points, guys. No rote learning, checking your answers by the digit sum method in Vedic maths, copying the correct sum, the question, avoiding silly mistakes, and playing chess, which will give you an edge over your competition. Thank you so much for being such patient with me today and understanding that you don't need to rote learn maths and to avoid the five mistakes before a maths examination. So all the best. Thank you so very much. This is Gaurav Tekriwal signing off, making maths fun. Thank you so much.